Hello and welcome back to Chirpy's Hub. Today we are going to explore my incredible body. My skeleton system is made up of hard, strong bones that support my body. It helps me to stand up and move about. My digestive system breaks down the food I eat so my body can use it as fuel. Eating healthy food helps my body to grow, move around and stay well. My senses tell me about the world. Everything I can see, hear, smell, taste or feel. My brain holds my thoughts and feelings. It sends messages all around my body to tell it what to do. My heart pumps blood all around my body from the tip of my head to toes. My lungs breathe in air. My blood picks up the useful things in the air. Then I breathe out the rest. Underneath my skin, all over my body, there are a layer of muscles. My muscles put on my bones to move them around so I can run, dance and jump. Thank you.